Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a backup of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and click on Websites. And next to the website that you want to backup or to create a backup for, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and if you go here next or just click on Save It, or yes, just hover over the word Save It or Save, you will see that I have, in my case, I have 24 backups. I can restore 2, and with the latest backup is saved on this date. If I click on Manage Backups, I can see the backup copies I can restore to. For example, just click on any date or backup, and you can see the version. For example, here or between this backup and this backup, the difference is this navigation menu. Let's take a look at it. Here, my website have this button. Here it does not use the button. So let's say that I want to restore to this backup. Simply click on this restore backup. But before this, let's see how to create a backup of your website. As you read here, to create a backup, simply publish your site. So how to do this? Let's go back to the editor. Just click on this update website button. First, let's close this window. To create a backup of your website, simply update your website like this and wait for the publishing to be completed. This publishing will take a little bit of time, so just be patient here. As you see, my website is updated, and this is how to create a backup of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. One thing I want you to be aware of is that backups are stored for just 30 days. So any backup older than 30 days will not be available to restore to. So this is the downside of backups on Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.